Meet little Timmy, a boy who thought baths were just no fun at all.
Timmy, it's bath time.
No bath, no bath. But Timmy didn't know that his bathroom was full of magical friends.
Quack, quack.
Hello there. One day as Timmy tried to hide from bath time,
Psst, Timmy! Wanna know a secret?
and so began Timmy's amazing bath time adventure. First, Timmy learned why we need to bathe.
We get dirty every day from playing and exploring.
Bathing helps us wash away all that dirt and sweat.
Quack, quack, quack.
And it feels great too. Timmy discovered that bubbles could be magical. Wow, look at all the bubbles. He learned that soap isn't just for fun, it has an important job.
I help scrub away germs that can make you sick.
And the warm water, it helps you relax after a long day. This feels nice. Timmy also found out that bathing helps him sleep better.
Quack, quack.
Clean and cozy. And it makes him smell fresh and clean.
Everyone loves a good-smelling friend.
Timmy learned that bathing is part of growing up. I'm a big kid now. And that it's a great time to use his imagination. I'm a submarine captain in my bathtub ocean. From that day on, Timmy looked forward to his bath time adventures. Mom, Dad, it's bath time! And remember, kids, bathing is not just fun, it's important too.
Quack, 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 quack.
See you at bath time. So, are you ready for your next bath time adventure?